Morning, meteorologist Brian Wolf here on Wednesday, October 15th to kind of break down what you're going to see throughout the day today. We've got two more sunny days left. Temperatures going to be transitioning down into the low to mid 70s instead of the mid 70s before we bring in the clouds on Friday and then we talk about some precipitation into the weekend. Starting off on the Doppler radar, you can see some of those light showers are still out to our north and west. Kind of looks like a carbon copy for what we've seen recently. And we also have some showers to our north across southern Wisconsin, extreme northern Indiana, and southern Michigan. That is courtesy of this cold front right across the area. So this cold front is approaching us from the north. And as what we're actually going to see is not a lot of precip with this. The action is going to be all out into the west. You see the low pressure system over across Colorado that will be moving into our area. And that is what's going to work to bring us the clouds on Friday and then the storm chance on Saturday. So, what are we looking at in terms of the storm chance? Well, Storm Prediction Center still has a 15% chance of severe weather. And this, over the last 24 hours, we've kind of looked at some model data that showed that this is kind of starting to work its way a little further north and a little further east. So something to keep an eye out on. It's nothing to panic about. It's just a general chance of severe weather. We've been through this time and time again. Don't believe all the hype that you read on the internet. So we are just low key informing you that it may be happening. But the one good thing with this system coming through is the precipitation forecast. As you can see, widespread amounts between 1 and 2 inches of rain, which is exactly what we need because we are still considered abnormally dry. For your day today, a northeast wind from 2 to 4 miles per hour, and then we'll see temperatures warm up into the low 70s by this afternoon. Still have a UV index of 5, which is moderate, a low to medium ragweed allergy outlook, and then we'll cool off again this evening, but mostly sunny skies. Now, for your 7 day, if we look up close, you can see those clouds start to come in Friday. Then we see a 50% chance of showers and storms on Saturday. Right now, the model data is showing that it'll likely be a 30 to 40% chance of scattered, very isolated showers and storms throughout the afternoon. And then the main line, the main party, so to speak, coming through at about 6 to 7 p.m. upwards until midnight. So again, we're still monitoring that. And then you can see another cool down into the mid 60s as we head into the late part of your weekend and early part next week. So that's what we have for you today. Be sure to stay tuned here as we continue to monitor the possibility for severe weather on Saturday. But again, we just need to be focused on it's bringing a lot of good rain, and that's what we need right now. So cooler temperatures and some precipitation on the way. I hope you have a nice day.